Hey Spoops, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn yourself into Maleficent. I have been so excited to turn myself into Angelina Jolie's version of Maleficent ever since the movie first came out. However, whenever it came out, I decided to do the old school cartoon version of Maleficent, so now it is finally time to tackle this version. If you're not already, definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and stick around towards the end of this video. This is part of my Halloween series where I'm uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, and at the end of the month I'm doing a huge giveaway, so make sure you stick around towards the end of the video to hear how you can enter in that giveaway for me to thank you guys for supporting me. I've been doing Halloween makeup on YouTube for 5 years now. This is my 5th year doing it. So I definitely just want to do a little something to thank you for all of your support, so make sure you stick around towards the end of the video for that as well. So anyways, with all of that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into Maleficent, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to get started, I'm going to be going ahead and popping in some fake contact lenses before moving on to applying the prosthetic cheek pieces. I got these from Jess FX on Etsy, and I will have her store linked down below for you guys. So I'm going to be applying this with some Prozaid. I'm just going to be taking a Q-tip, a little bit of Prozaid on the back end of the prosthetic and on my cheek as well. And once it has started to dry, I'm going to be taking some acetone on a Q-tip and just going ahead and blending off those edges. And once you're satisfied with that side, you can go ahead and repeat on your other cheekbone as well. Now, something you can always do is you can always create some Bondo if you have any lifted edges, and you can create some Bondo by taking some Cabosil and Prozaid together and applying that to the edges of the prosthetic to help blend it into your skin some more. For my face, I'm going to start off by taking my Fenty Skin sunscreen, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face to help moisturize it before going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying this all over my face as well. Next, I'm going to be going into my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlight and applying this under my eyes to help brighten them before going into my Milani Supercharged Concealer in 120 Peach, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes to help add a little bit more warmth. I'm then going to be taking my MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm going to be applying this to my nose and my forehead to help brighten it a little bit before going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 220N and applying this all over my face and prosthetic with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be applying this under the prosthetic, kind of creating a little bit of a harsh and sharp line to help separate the highlight from the contour that we are creating. And so you just want to make sure to blend this out before we go into our ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14 and apply this to the areas that we now want to highlight, which is going to be our forehead, under our eyes, and our chin as well. I'm going to be setting my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder, and then I'm going to be going into my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking this darker contour shade, and I'm going to be trying to emphasize that straight, harsh line a little bit more, and this is going to help add a little bit of definition in having a darker shadow at the very top of the contour and then having it blend down into that cream contour from earlier. I'm then going to be going into the banana shade from the palette, and I'm going to be applying this to those prosthetic pieces and under my eyes to help brighten them before I go into my Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter, and I'm going to be applying this to those prosthetic cheekbones. For my brows, I'm just going to be taking my NYX Precision Brow Pencil to start off, and I'm just going to be softly filling in my eyebrows, still maintaining a natural look, but then I want to add a little bit more definition with my Buckle Bunny Beauty Brow Wow Pomade in Loretta, and I'm going to be applying this to the tail of my brow. I'm then going to be taking my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and sweeping that through my eyebrows before going on to eyes, where I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying that all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Disney Designer It's a Princess Thing palette, taking Chip and applying this all over my eyelids, and I also want to bring this down to my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to be going into Grumpy, and I'm also going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye and softly blending that into the inner corner, and I'm also going to be bringing that down to my lower lash line before jumping into Beast temporarily and just applying this to the very outer corner of my eyelid. I'm then going to be going into Triton on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to be sweeping that in to my crease, and this is going to help incorporate Beast and also combine it with the nude colors from earlier. And then I'm going to be going into Crystal Love and using this to highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm going to be going into No Bounds, and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye and making sure to blend this out. This is going to help give a nice subtle smoky effect, and then we also want to bring that down to our lower lash line. And last but not least, I'm going to be going into Ray, and I'm going to be applying this onto my eyelids before going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner and going ahead and creating a nice bold wing on my lash line, and then also applying a little bit of this to my lower lash line as well, just to kind of help frame my eyes a little bit more. I'm then going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and going ahead and sweeping this through my upper and lower eyelashes. My false eyelashes of choice were my Tarte Wifey lashes, so I'm just going to be applying that to my lash line. And lastly, for lips, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Bichette, and I'm just going to be going ahead and outlining my lips before going into my ColourPop Disney Mulan Luxe Liquid Lipstick in Strong Chi and applying this all over my lips. And that is the completed Maleficent makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my upcoming Halloween videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup looks and tips and tricks as well. And all of that really does help support me and my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you, so please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.